What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys is another update on Aioz network, which has taken a little bit of a dip in the last 24 hours. As you guys can see, it is 8% down and is currently valued at 0.05453 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to crash further or is it going to pump back up in value? As you guys can see, earlier this week it did pump up all the way up to around over 8 cents in target, and right now has taken a little bit of a dip over the last couple of days. So what is its next target? That's what we're going to be going through, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also going into 2024, what can we expect? And also, from both buyers and sellers point of view, is now the right time to buy or is it time to sell it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Aioz network, which is here in purple at just over 3 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green at over 5 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Aioz over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Aioz network to have gone for an overall drop in value, potentially dropping just below 5 cents in target is what I'm expecting from the crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours. But it's not going to be a major crash or a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal drop just below 5 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Zooming into the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we are looking a little bit more bullish. As you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are both heading upwards towards the bullish direction, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from Aioz network over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at over 7 cents, potentially just about hitting 8 cents. So in between this price range is where I'm expecting Aioz to be trading at. However, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting green days over the next 7 to 8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit red days in between as well. It'll take a little bit of a hit, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side, hitting around 7 to 8 cents by mid next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now in this case, we are looking way too bullish and way too steep. Meaning this is not realistic. It is looking so steep because of the major increase that's taken place over the last weeks. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in this direction, going at that pace and so on. However, that is not the case. What I'm expecting over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, so mid to late December and early January, is an overall drop in value from Aioz, potentially dropping down below 2 cents, nearly hitting the 1 cent target is where I'm expecting Aioz to be trading at towards the end of this year and early next year as well. So essentially crashing back down to its original value where it was trading about a month ago is where it should be trading at. But it is crypto, it is a volatile market. Any little news can have a major impact on any cryptocurrencies out there. So if I'm able to predict such thing, I will of course let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far it is not looking too good for Aioz network for the short term and the long term as well. So Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, it's literally trading in the red zone, and I'm not expecting it to get out of the red zone anytime soon, at least for the next year or two. It is going to be stuck in the red zone. Depending on how the crypto market performs, it may be able to pump up, but yeah, that is not expected at the moment from a Aioz network. And also, if you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated around 2 to 3 times a week, or more often if you guys want to. That's absolutely fine as well, but make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also dropped by 35% in the last 24 hours, making it $2.7 million, which is again quite of a drop in trading. Of course, it's dropped quite heavily as well, so most people are just holding back. They're not investing, they're not selling it either, they're just holding back onto it to see where it's heading to next. But as I mentioned, in the long term, it is heading downwards. So going back into the candlestick pattern chart here, let's have a look at the buying and selling price. So as you guys can see, it is currently trading at 0.05490 cents. Would I buy the crypto right now, even though it's taking a little bit of a dip? Would I buy the dip? No, I wouldn't. Only reason I say this is because I'm into cryptocurrency for the long term, and as you guys have seen my prediction, I'm expecting it to drop down in value, so there would be no reason as to why I would invest into it. Again, it's a completely different story. If you're a short-term trader, you can buy it now and sell it tomorrow and make a profit or make a loss. Obviously, it's a risky move, but for me anyway, it is way overvalued for me to invest into the crypto. So from seller's point of view, would I sell the crypto right now if I was on a profit? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. What I would essentially do is, if I had $1,000 worth of Aioz in my wallet right now, I would sell about 55 to 60% worth of my Aioz, taking out some profit, and I still got about 40% left of investment into the crypto for the long term. So I'll hold on to that for the next couple of years. If it does manage to, break out, or I'll go for a major pump, then I still got some investment into it. And on the other hand, I've also taken out some profit, which works both ways. But yeah, this is my take on this crypto, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what is the highest figure you guys are predicting this crypto to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.